Hello everyone, I am Ranjana, student of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. Today I am going to present my seminar on Indian dairy industry. Firstly, I would like to thank our college principal, Professor Dr. Ajay Singh, and our class teacher, Mrs. Binu Gupta ma'am, who provided us such a wonderful opportunity to present a seminar in such a way. So let's start with the seminar. Indian dairy industry. Contents: Introduction, Revolution in Dairy Industry, Indian Scenario, Production in India, and so on. So first of all, what is dairy industry? The production of milk on dairy farms and the processing of milk and milk products at dairy plants make up the dairy industry. Introduction. Dairy industry in India had a long historical tradition. It is world's first largest milk production. In India, about one-third of rural income are dependent upon milk production. India produces 17% of the world's total dairy production. Revolution in dairy industry. The Operation Flood program, one of the world's largest and most successful dairy development program. It started by India's National Dairy Development Board in 1970. It introduced by Dr. Verghese Kurian. It also called White Revolution. Its main thrust was to organize farmers' cooperatives in rural areas and link them with the urban consumer. In 1989, the Indian government launched the Technology Mission on Dairy Development Program to support the efforts of the Operation Flood. Its main objective is to create a nationwide milk grid and to enhance the rural employment opportunity and income generation through dairy. It resulted in making India the largest producer of milk and milk products. Indian scenario. Annual milk production in 2017 to 18 is 176.3 million. Annual export volume in 2019 is 244.18 million. Share of world dairy production is 22%. Number of milk production cooperative unions are 17. Number of state cooperatives are 22. Production in India. In dairy industry, the production of milk and milk products are increasing every year. The production of milk in 2010 to 11 was 121.8 million, which was increases to 176.35 million in 2017 to 18. This growth of production will helpful in the development of national economy. Contribution of state in milk production. In India, there are many states which produces milk and milk products. Uttar Pradesh produces 17.6%, Rajasthan 10.5%, Andhra Pradesh 9.6%, Gujarat 7.7%, Punjab 7.3%, Madhya Pradesh 6.6%, Maharashtra 6.5%, Haryana 5.3%, Tamil Nadu 5.2%, Bihar 5.1%, and other states 18.6%. Structure of dairy industry. Indian dairy industry is divided into two parts: organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector consists of private dairy, cooperative, and government. Organized sector gain market share of marketable milk from unorganized sector by introducing standardization in milk quality testing. Unorganized sector include village vendor, local halwais, small-scale private dairies, etc. Top third dairy industry in India. First is Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, Gujarat. Amul was established in 1946. Amul Dairy is the largest dairy of India with the capacity of 52 lakh litre daily production of milk, which is based in the city of Anand in Gujarat. Over 15 million of milk producers sell their products. Over 1,44,000 dairy cooperatives across India. This milk is processed at plants operated by 186 district cooperative union and marketed by 22 state cooperatives. Second is Nandini Milk, Karnataka Milk Federation. It was established in 1974 and got success in the Karnataka market for purity and high quality of milk and milk products. Now, it has 14 milk unions covering all the districts of the state to collect milk from producers in rural Karnataka. This factory also manufactures ghee, paneer, Indian sweets and lots of other milk products. Mother Dairy, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1974. It is a subsidiary of the Indian government's National Dairy Development Program. Mother Dairy's role was limited to procuring, processing and supplying milk to New Delhi. Objective. Its main objective is to increase the rural employment opportunity, improve marketing, provide better price to the farmers, provide better services to the farmers at their doorstep, creating a network between the dairy cooperatives, the dairy development department and other stakeholders for the efficient management. Dairy products exports from India. There are many products. There are many dairy products which is exported by the India to many other countries in the world. This diagram shows that there was many increase or decrease in the exports of the dairy products. In 2006, it was 191.5 million. In 2008, it was increases for 418.5 million, and then it was decreases or increases. In 2012 to 13, there was a high increase in the exports of dairy products from 306.7 million to 737.6 million. Then it goes to decrease, and in 2016 to 17 it increases from 279.7 million to 343 million. Challenges faced by dairy industry: shortage of feed, education and training, pricing, absence of quality standard, etc. Suggestion: increase the link between rural production area and urban production area. Focus on quality issues. Conclusion: at the end, we conclude that the milk and milk products are not only a valued source of nutrition and provide income and employment to a large section of Indian population. Several years of strategic planning and effective program implementation by the government and public sector have ensured that India emerges as a leading producer of milk in the world. Thank you.